Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by unlocking your Samsung phone and finding an empty home screen space. Long press that empty area until the Home Settings menu appears. Tap Widgets to open the widget library and see categories like clock, calendar, and weather. Scroll through the available widgets and preview multiple sizes such as 4x2, 2x2, or 4x1. Use your finger to view how each widget will look on your existing layout before choosing one to add. Select a widget by tapping and holding it in the widget library and dragging it onto an available home screen. Release to place the widget, and then long press the placed widget to enter edit mode. Drag the blue resize handles to adjust the widget to the desired size, such as 2x2 or 4x2. If the widget supports it, tap Configure or Settings to choose Accounts, Location, or Appearance options after resizing and placement. To remove a widget, long press it on the home screen and drag it to Remove or Trash at the top. Confirm removal if prompted to delete only the widget and not the underlying app. For customizations, tap the widget to open its internal settings and change themes, location, or linked accounts. Use folders, additional home pages, and the home grid setting to organize widgets neatly across the screen and optimize space for a cleaner layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.